I am not a morning person by any means. It is currently 7:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready to leave to go stick on my Corsa headers and exhaust. That is the most annoying noise ever.
Late at night, with you standing by my side. Maybe it's the lights or the warmth that your skin on mine. I don't know why, but this feels like summertime. Will I get you alone? Just
This poor car is so filthy. I meant to go wash it last night, but then it started raining. This Mustang right here is going to be getting my old exhaust, which is the Roush cap back, and he's going to be sticking on his car today as well. And the place that's taking care of all of this for me and all of this for him is the same place that I actually got the Camaro's bumper painted. They're located right here in West Monroe, Louisiana. They are the best place, seriously, to take your car to if you're in the area. I'm excited to get these cats out of here. Oh. That is hot. That's the motor mount out. Can we drop it up?
It's all good, yeah.
Oh. There's one. I guess we can get started on slapping that header up, huh? Okay, so the header is actually installed now. We just got the motor mount put back in, so all that's left is to get this motor mount tightened up. We're gonna show you guys this car real quick. This thing is sick.
They're getting it up yet?
Oh yeah, we're getting it.
I think it'll be as bad as the top?
No, not even near as bad. He's got a few pretty cool cars. He's got this car, which is an NSX. He's got another car, which is an LS swapped RX-7. He's got all kinds of stuff. This thing is really cool, though. Hey, I got a question for you real quick. You know who Casey Neistat is?
Who?
Casey Neistat.
I've never met him. I thought that guy was an actor or something.
I mean, y'all look identical. It's crazy. He's like, nope, never met him. Oh. Okay, so we got the gasket hanging up there by the top bolts. So the header is now ready to be slid in. Okay, so the header is put in. We're getting the bolts torqued down right now. So now all we got to do is finish up torquing the passenger side header bolts up here, installing the X pipe that comes all the way back, and then obviously putting on the mufflers that go in the very, very back. And then we'll be completely done. Oh yeah, I forgot. We also do have to reinstall the motor mount and the starter as well back into the car. I forgot we had to take that out to get the passenger side in. It's not as bad as what I expected, but I definitely would not suggest that somebody try to do this on jack stands or anything. But we are getting closer and closer to being done. I am so excited to hear what this Corsa system sounds like. We got the bolts all torqued up as much as possible for right now on the header. Then after that, we will almost be scotch-free. Could you get to that motor mount up here?
Oh yeah, we got both of those.
From up top?
Yeah.
This goes over there. We are getting close. So all we have now is to grab these sport mufflers right here, get these stuck in, and then, hey, something else that I wanted to mention to you. Y'all do fabrication up here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. I have a fabrication job.
Interesting.
Yeah, I figure we can cut around that little black area and maybe get them fit in there. Let me fit this one back up here. Okay, so everything is installed. The mufflers are put on. The X pipe is now installed right here, and then we got the headers. Everything I believe is tight. Oh, I need to tighten up these O2 bungs right here too, real quick.
I gotta go pick up practice.
Yeah, this entire kit looks absolutely amazing from the underside of this car. Metal quality is just so nice. The bends, I mean, the fitment between everything is so precise that it's unreal. Everything now is tightened up. I've got everything ready to go. So we are about to get ready to lower the car down and start it up and see what it sounds like. And then after that, we are gonna try and fabricate some way to fit these quad tips on this stock valence. So I know a lot of you guys are interested in seeing if that's even possible. And we're gonna make it work. So you just gotta push the clutch and then push the button. Don't do it yet. Tap it real quick. Jeez. That sounds crazy. You can just hear the supercharger up here whistling. Yeah, let it warm up a little bit and then I'll rev it up a little bit more. So we're still running at about 13.7, 13.8 for the AFR. So it's definitely not running too lean, not too rich. It's pretty much just right for idle. That new pipe smell is so good. I love whenever metal warms up for the first time. Tap it just a little bit more. Yeah, that's gonna be loud once I actually get on it. Yeah, that's gonna use some cutting for sure. That's what I came to a fabrication shop for. We just got the stock valence cut out. We actually managed to fit quad tips on both sides without any issues, no rubbing or anything, and it looks incredible. Wow, that looks really good. Watch out. Yeah, those quad tips look amazing, just as I expected. That is really, really cool. That actually fits a lot better than I thought it would. Dang. So much better than what I thought it was. I can't believe you actually made that work. That's crazy. That looks perfect. I'll talk to y'all later. We are on our way back home right now, and I wanted to show you guys seriously how quiet this exhaust is inside. There is absolutely no drone whatsoever. Listen, this is cruising at, I am at around 65, 70 miles an hour right now. Just listen. It is so quiet. It is incredible. My previous exhaust was so much louder than this from the inside of the cabin. It droned like crazy on the highway, and this is like incredibly luxurious. I'm very, very happy with this. And that is honestly exactly what I wanted out of this exhaust. At idle, it's very quiet until you actually get on it, and then it's not really raspy in any way. It sounds just really, really quality. And that is definitely exactly what I told Corsa that I was interested in getting, and that's why the Corsa Sport Catback with their headers is a perfect combination for me. I am seriously in love with the sound of this exhaust now. It really, really has made me love this car a whole nother degree. The back of this car just looks seriously incredibly aggressive. I am so happy that I went with the quad tips instead of the two standard tips out of the back. And I actually am getting this Mustang a new front end this week, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I'm not going to tell what it is yet. It's going to be a complete transformation on this car. I am really looking forward to it. We made it back home. I cannot believe how incredible these quad tips look. As for today, that's probably gonna be all. I'm gonna go inside now and cool off. I've been working on this car since early this morning for hours now. So anyways, guys, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you drop this video a like for Corsa. And as always, until next video.
But you look like paradise.